Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today we're going to make a old-fashioned vanilla pudding. And this is the type of vanilla pudding I ate as a kid. 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and we're going to whisk this together to make it less chance of it coming out lumpy. And I want a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the milk out. Oh. And I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. There's 1. And here's the second one. Now I'm going to turn on the heat. And I want to bring this to a boil. Oh. We want 1 teaspoon of vanilla. What are you guys doing? Oh, I've got 4 one-year-old cats, and they are something else. They are constantly knocking things down, climbing on top of stuff. When I'm on the computer, the one female cat walks in front of the computer at least 15 times. The sad thing is, my 6-year-old cats are scared to death of the 1-year-old ones. So they're outside and they refuse to come in the house and will not come in the house until winter. So I'm continuously whisking this because I don't want the milk to burn or scald. Get a spoon. I want to check the consistency of it. It's close to done. Okay, my pudding is done. See, it's pretty thick. It's hot. Let's give it a little taste. Nice, creamy. Excellent. So, please give this a like if you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.